All right, so we got a solution set here. So there's a couple different ways to do it. I think the quickest way would just be to square this to get rid of the square root and square that. And you get b squared equals 2b squared minus 64. All right, which is going to give you 0 equals b squared minus 64. That's difference of two perfect squares. So that's going to give you x minus 8 and x plus 8, which is going to give you x equals 8 and x equals negative 8. All right. And then a thing I have to be careful of, all right, is do they both give me a positive number under there? All right. So that's not positive number. They both give me something that works. So this would be 8 equals square root of 2 times 8 squared minus 64. I guarantee that's going to work. All right. So that one's going to work if you put it in the calculator. Negative 8 equals square root 2 times negative 8 minus 64. All right, that is not going to work because it's going to give you a negative number underneath here. So that's not going to work. So we have to rule out negative 8, which means the only actual answer to that is positive 8. I remember when you have these equations for basically anything with algebra 2, you always check your answers to make sure that it doesn't, that it actually works, to look for extraneous solutions, because we will sometimes, when we mess with equations, we'll introduce answers that don't actually exist in the original problem itself.